Mass Academy, Unit 4, Class 9 Mathematics, Exercise 4.5. Remember, here we are reading LCM by Factorization Method. After studying these topic, you will understand proper way easily how to find LCM of the given terms with easy method. We are going to solve these questions. So our first, we have three terms, that is x cube, y square, z square. So we are going to factorize it because we are going to find factorization method LCM. So we can write finding or LCM by factorization method. Now x cube means here we have to write x 3 times, x multiplied by x multiplied by x, and y square means we are writing y 2 times, y multiplied by y. Remember, here we are putting dot, these dots means multiplication, and z square means z multiplied by z. In the same way, second term, that is x square, y cube, z square. X square means, and so we will write x square means x multiplied by x, we'll writing x twice, and similarly y cube means we will be multiplying y 3 times, y multiplied by y, and z multiplied by 2 times. It means we will be writing z. And third terms you can see, that is x square, y square, z cube. So we will be writing x twice, x multiplied by x because that is a square, and y square is there, we will be writing y 2 times, y multiplied by y, and next is z cube, we will be writing z 3 times. After that we will be looking for common factor, though we are finding LCM, but first of all we will find common factor. Common factor, we will see x terms now, 2x common in these all three terms. So we will be writing x multiplied by x, and after that we will be looking for y, and 2y common from all these three terms, y multiplied by y. Similarly, 2z are common in these all three terms, we will be writing z multiplied by z. After that we will multiply x multiplied by x, x square comes, y multiplied by y, it comes y square, and similarly z square. After that, next we'll be finding non-common factor. We'll see which factors are left. In first term, if we see x left, so this is circle. Second terms, if we see that is y left, that is also we circle it, and third terms z is left. Then we will be writing non-common factor, these are x, y, z. If we multiply, then x, y, z itself come. Now we are going to find LCM. The formula for LCM is common factor CF multiplied by non-common factor. After multiplying common factor and non-common factor, we will obtain LCM. Common factors are x square, y square, z square, and non-common factors are x, y, z. Now multiplying common factor and non-common factor, x square multiplied by x, it comes x power 3, and similarly y square multiplied by y power 3, and z square multiplied by z, it comes z power 3 or z cube. Hence this is our LCM for the first questions. So this is solved. Now come to second part of this exercise 4.5 unit 4. We have two terms here, x square minus 16, x square minus 11, x plus 28. So we are going to find LCM by factorization method. First of all, x square minus 16, we can write x square is a square and 16 is a b square. Can be written 16 4 square. Now we have a square minus b square, so we can write a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Now is x is our a and 4 is our b, so we will easily can write a plus b, x plus 4, and a minus b, it means x minus 4. This expression is factorized. Now we are going to take the second expression, that is x square minus 11x plus 28. We are writing our next expression that expression is x square minus 11x plus 28. Now we are going to factorize this trinomial expression. Our main target will be to break down the middle term, that is 11 minus 11x. Procedure actually already we know that multiplying x square coefficient 1 and 28, it comes 28 itself. Now what are those factor? If we multiply, it comes 28. If we add them, it comes 11. We are thinking about them. So those factors are 7 and 4. Multiplying 7 and 4, 28 comes in. Adding 7 and 4, it comes 11x. Now we can easily break down 11 is a two part, that is minus 4x and minus 7x. As 11 is already in minus, so x square minus 4x minus 7x plus 28. Minus 7x plus 28. Our next work is to take out common between two terms. X square minus 4x, we can see x is common, so x is taken out as a common, x minus 4 left. In the same way, second terms, if we see second two terms, 7 is common, minus 7, x minus 4 also left. 7 can catch 28 4 times. Further, we can see that x minus 4 is common. X minus 4 we have taken out, then left what? X minus 7. Now we are going to compare x minus 4 and x minus 4. They are common factors. So we will be writing further CF, that is our common factor, x minus 4. Further, we will be writing non-common factor. And this is the way to find common factor. After that, non-common factor and multiply them, common and non-common, we will obtain our LCM. First terms, if we see non-common factor is x plus 4, and second term, that is x minus 7, then we will be writing our non-common factor is x minus x plus 4 and x minus 7. Then we already know LCM is equal to least common multiple, LCM, that is equal to common factor multiplied by non-common factor. Common factors we already have, those are x minus 4, and non-common factor x plus 4 and x minus 7. Further, we will be multiplying common factor and non-common factor. We can see x minus 4, x plus 4. After writing x plus 4 and x minus 4, it looks like a minus b, a plus b. Then this is a formula that can be written a square minus b square. So x is our a here, we can write x square, and 4 is our b, minus 4 square, and x minus 7. After that, it comes x squares, and 4 square means x square, and 4 square is, we already know, that is 16, and x minus 7. So this question is also over. Coming to third part of this exercise 4.5, also we are finding LCM by factorization method. So we have third part, x square minus 5x plus 6 and x square minus 10x plus 16. We are finding LCM by factorization method. First terms we have, we will take first term, and we will, because it is a trinomial expression, quadratic equation, so quadratic expression, we are going to break down middle term, that is minus 5x, 1 multiplied by 6. 1, how 1 comes? Coefficient of x square is 1, it comes 6. What can be the factor of 6? By multiplying them, 6 come, and adding 5 comes, that is 2 and 3. Then we can break down minus 5x is. Whenever such kind of expression trinomial comes, just break down the middle term. Easily we can break minus 5x minus 2x minus 3x. Now we are going to take out common, that x is common between these two terms, x square minus 2x, x take out, it comes x minus 2, and 3 can catch 3 and 3 can catch 6. So minus 3x, 3 is out, it comes x minus 2. Further, x minus 2 is common. Left what? X and minus 3. So these are the factor of first expression. Now we are going to take our second expression, that is x square minus 10x plus 16. Checking the how to break down minus 10x procedure, we already know x square coefficient 1 multiplied by 16, it comes 16. What are those number? Multiplying by them plus 10 come, and multiplying adding by then plus 10 and multiplying 16 come. Those factors are 2 and 8. If we multiply then 16 come, if we add them 10 come. So we are going to break down 10 is minus 2x minus 8x, because 10 is already in minus. That's why in place of minus 10x we can write minus 2x minus 8x, and first term and last term they are same, x square and 16. After that we are taking out common is a between x square and minus 2x, that is x is common, and minus 8x plus 16, that is 8 is common. 8 can catch 8 one times, x left, 16 two times, minus 2. Further we can see x minus 2 is common. Taking out x minus 2 is a common, x minus 8 left. Now we are in position to find out common factor, after that non-common factor. To look for common factor, that is x minus 2 and x minus 2. Already it is clear between or these two expression. Next work is to find non-common factor. Here our non-common factors are in first expression. We will see what is non-common factor in second expression. Looking first expression, that is x minus 3 is non-common factor, and second expression x minus 8. So we'll be writing common non-common factor x minus 3 into x minus 8. Our last work is, we know the formula of LCM or least common multiple, that is common factor multiplied by non-common factor. That is written common factor multiplied by non-common factor. In place of common factor we will write common factor, that is x minus 2. In place of non-common factor we will write non-common factor, those are x minus 3 and x minus 8. In the last we will be writing all these factors together. Just this is our LCM, x minus 2, x minus 3 and x minus 8. So if you like this procedure, this method, way of solving, kindly subscribe the channel, share it to your relative, student and the one you know.